Do you prefer your notes to scroll endlessly or be neatly packed like a book? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can choose how new notes behave with just a few taps. Here's how to change the pack style for new notes in Samsung Note app. First, open Note app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left and then tap setting icon. Tap default note style. Under page style section, you will see two options. Individual pages. You can select this option to give each section of your note a fixed page, just like flipping through a notebook. Or you can select infinite scrolling page to let you write continuously in one long page. Great for brainstorming or long lectures. Just tap the one that fits your writing style best. Your selection will apply to all new notes you create going forward. So whether you like keeping it structured or prefer the freedom to scroll endlessly, Samsung Note has you covered. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.